Enhancing the workforce and leadership capabilities of local healthcare systems leads to better healthcare worldwide. Knowing this, Partners Healthcare International, or PHI, works to effect transformative, sustainable improvements in healthcare across the globe. One example is the development of a new medical school in Lebanon.
We worked with the Lebanese American University since the year 2005, when 4 of us went over to do a study in Beirut about starting a new medical school. And it was going to be a new medical school modeled after American medical education. It was going to be problem-based, it was going to be student-centered, and students were going to be much more responsible for their own education. We recruited first a dean, and then we recruited a group of faculty members. We brought some of them to the United States. We also went over to Lebanon on a number of occasions and worked with the faculty on developing the curriculum, developing assessment strategies for students, and the systems that would go with a medical school. The first 2 classes particularly were outstanding in terms of being able to really help us make their learning experience the best it could be, which involved early clinical experience, involved working in the community, and involved small group learning where they had to really help each other out.
The program itself wanted us to be a different type of doctor, to be good diagnosticians, to be good in management.
Since day one, we could learn everything about every single disease or every single entity as we go through our medical education.
Being at a new school gives the opportunity to work on things we never thought we could achieve at other medical schools that were already established. There was a lot of room to create things, to create a medical students association, and I loved that because it pushed us to be a bit more creative, to think like outside the box, expand our boundaries, and I think it made us a more well-rounded students. And we had a partnership with PHI that I think was amazing in itself.
Now as I'm leaving LEU, and it has been like the best 4 years of medical education anyone can ever have, I do see myself as someone who wants to go back to LEU to give back to the system that gave me everything in medical education.
LAU School of Medicine graduated their inaugural class in 2013. Partners is proud of this collaboration that helped change medical education in Lebanon.